Hi everybody, I know I did a Facebook Live not so long ago that was very much value, all to do with engagement on your Facebook profile, but this Facebook Live is actually just going to be a very, very short and sweet one, but I've got some exciting news that I'm celebrating again now, so I thought rather than do a post about it, I would just do a very quick Facebook Live. So I'm just going to wait until I can see that there's some live viewers on, and then I'll sort of just make a start. So for those of you that follow me on a regular basis, you'll know that I'm in multiple income streams. And I told myself that in 2018, I was going to change the way that I was working, because I started my marketing career, my like affiliate marketing, my proper marketing in the end of the end of May last year. That's when I first got into affiliate marketing, and that was my first, I'd never even heard of affiliate marketing prior to that. I didn't even know what high ticket was. I didn't even know you could earn like $1,000 per sale online. I didn't even know these things even existed. And I'd been online in e-commerce prior to that since 2004. And I'm kicking myself to think that there was all these opportunities for years that I could have been part of, while I was sat behind a computer for hours and hours and hours by myself. I could have been a marketer for years. So God, if I could turn back the clock, that is one thing I would have changed and got into this industry far, far sooner. So I'm in crypto, as many people know. I'm in high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm not here to pitch anything, by the way. I'm literally just sharing what it is that I do. But as you grow in confidence, as you grow in your skill set, you open up your mindset, and you then, you start to talk to other people on Facebook. And when you start to talk to other people on Facebook, you soon start to be drawn to people that you admire and people that you look up to and think, I want to be just like them. So it opens doors. I talk to more 7, 8, even 9-figure earners. If you'd have asked me, a couple of years ago, how many millionaires am I in contact with, it would have literally probably just been a handful of people that I know that probably live fairly near to me, that I've kind of known in the area, very successful businessmen that are in normal, what I call businesses that you expect where they are wealthy. But I'm blown away by how many are on Facebook that are marketers, either in crypto or they're in affiliate marketing, any kind of online business, how wealthy people have made themselves in such a short space of time. Now, I surround myself virtually with these people now. I don't see that many people actually in the real world here, because I spend so much time online. I'm focusing on where I want to be. And it's not all about how much money I can make, it's how I can impact my life and then use what I'm learning myself to impact other people's, to show them that it's possible. So just to cut a long story short, it's opened up all different opportunities for me in the last 7 months. And I haven't necessarily gone from business to business and moved around. There's only a couple that I started and I didn't think they were for me, so I stopped. But the rest of them I am still in. And, it's great to diversify, because you pick up skills in different areas, which enables you then to grow yourself in your career. When you're building teams in different businesses, the kind of people that are on your team will be very different depending on whether it's a crypto team, affiliate marketing team, and then you might even be lucky enough for one person to even want to join multiple teams, and then that's so rewarding to you, because it means that they obviously value your opinion, they enjoy you as a mentor and coach. So in December, I saw a post online, and I kept seeing a guy getting these $3,000 commissions, and I was like, what is he doing? I knew he was doing something similar to me prior to that, and was getting $1,000 per sale, and I was thinking, $3,000, that's a lot, what's he doing? And I kept seeing them pop up, pop up, pop up. What was it? Attraction marketing that attracted me to him. So he never approached me. He never even got in contact with me about the business. I just kept seeing his posts. Now, through attraction marketing, I reached out and went, what is it that you're doing? I got onto a coach call. I was in the cafe and I was watching the video, and I literally signed up in the cafe. I spent $3,000 in the cafe on my card. I came out the cafe and I was like, holy shit, that was an expensive cafe trip. I was expecting to go and just get, you know, a cup of tea and a cake, do some networking from there, and I came out and I'd spent like $3,000. But it's the best 3K I've spent online since I've actually joined the business. And I haven't actually gone in and added up how many sales I've had since I started on the 27th of December. But if you go through my Facebook profile, I've done so many 3K sales where I'm making $1,500 commissions per sale that it's blown my mind just how awesome this business is that I've joined. So the reason why I'm doing this Facebook Live now is last week I had like, you know, 9K in 24 hours, 3 sales. And yesterday I had another sale, and today I'm celebrating another 2 sales. So it's just to say to people that, you know, I didn't even know what a sales funnel was like 7 months ago. I didn't even know what email marketing was. I didn't even know what a VSL was. I didn't have any experience in the industry at all. You know, I'm very much self-taught. I haven't had somebody teach me what to do on Facebook. I've been very much buy a course, learn it, put it into practice, take massive action, and away you go. But the support I've had since joining this business and what they've taught me, and the family community feel that we have on Facebook, you know, the owner is always on camera, so the transparency is very, very clear. All of the staff are on camera. We get to see the offices in the UK. So when a lot of people online are very skeptical about what business they get into, thinking, well, I don't know the owner, we don't know anything about the background, we don't know where they work from, because this is an international business, but because they're based in the UK, and obviously I'm in the UK, I'm super excited because I'm actually going down to their offices on the 6th of February for a workshop. So it's opening up all these doors all the time, and I feel so grateful the fact that I've found this business opportunity, because crypto is so volatile. We know that we can never rely 100% on just a crypto business, because it's literally up and down, up and down, up and down. Crypto should just be like a nice juicy bonus as a sideline, but it cannot be or shouldn't be something that you rely on 100% to like pay your bills. So I really just wanted to just do this very, very quick Facebook Live just to say that the franchise that I'm in is just literally just changing my life, and it's just the start. I haven't even been in it a month yet, and I'm already one of the top earners in the company. So it's very, very exciting. So if any of you are watching me and you're thinking, well, actually, I'd quite like to try that, you can join my team and get started for like $77. And I'm not saying this to pitch, I'm just letting you know that yes, there's a $3,000 option, but you can start for as little as $77. So if you really want to try and think, well, actually, I'd like to give that a go, but I don't want to spend a lot of money, $77, and you absolutely can. And the benefit of doing that is I pay for 30 leads into your back office to kickstart you. So for $77, I actually buy, out of my own money in PayPal, 30 leads into your back office. So you've already then got 30 leads to work on to generate you money. So you're not starting off with like 0 leads, you're starting off with 30. So for $77, you've got nothing to lose, have you? You get full support from me, full mentoring on a weekly basis, and very much like I look after my team. So if you're interested, please reach out, and I'm more than happy to send across the information. Take care. I'm going to have an early night now. Speak to you later. Bye.